Hey everybody, I'm Chris McCullough. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're checking out Resident Evil 4 Remake Chainsaw Demo. Just released a couple days ago, and as of this video, it's about 2 weeks before the release of Resident Evil 4, so we're going to check out a small bit of the village area, I think. New game. So I've been kind of intrigued about this. I've been with Resident Evil 4 since day one, 2005, on when it was exclusively for the GameCube. So I've seen many
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget.
Never.
The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella.
Sounds like
Somehow
the same guy.
I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice.
Oh.
The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second.
Marvin.
This time, it can be different.
Ada!
It has to.
That's a nice segue in. I like that. Okay, that's really awesome. Okay. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find there. Yeah. So yeah, this is also starts where basically we're done with the T-virus for a while, and now we're all talking about Las Plagas, which is a parasite that gets inside a host body and then takes out for control by it's just crazy. A lot of stuff happens with it. So yeah, let's see. This looks nice. Look at that. Very different atmosphere. See if it, this is what my big concern was at how much it's going to be scene for scene, and is it worth it to be like that? So this is right where we dropped off the car. So this is after the house. This should be after the house. If I go back here, will it let me go back here? Okay, there's the police car. So that's where we start. Okay. Ugh. So yeah, they've skipped the house part. Let's see if I can go around here. Haha, don't need to go around that. Look at that.
How far could he have gone?
How far could he have gone? Who? Yeah, they jumped a big section from the beginning. Okay, hi. That is that's a oh, okay, it's a dead deer. Oh, great. Thanks for the graphic. Close it. Didn't need to see it. Okay. Wait, why is it by a candle? Oh, the familiar sound of crows. Oh, crouch. Look at me crouching. Okay. Stand in the... Oh. Something new! Okay. Yum. Okay, so it is the first house. Alright. Let's have some fun. Alright. Hello? Hello?
Anyone home?
Oh, can I still do the... cannot do the 180 turn. Yes, I can. Okay. No. Always needed. Hello? I don't even have a weapon. Or maybe I do. I just haven't drawn it out yet. Oh, hello. It is another one of these thingies. Oh. Se acela el juicio. Juicio? No idea what it means, but at least I can pronounce it. I think. Okay, so nothing. All right. Oh, sorry, was that too loud? Okay, there's that sign is everywhere. Can I open the door? Vivir Moscow. Okay. And I need a key. Oh, I need a key. They start saying Morir AZ Vivir, I'm leaving. Here we go. Oh man.
Sorry to barge in like this.
Ooh, I heard stupid.
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Oh, you do speak. Dun dun dun. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, look out. And magically he's got a knife. Okay, so it's gonna be a knife fight? Dude. Oh my god.
This is not good.
No, it's not, buddy. Okay, at least I didn't have to fight you. Oh, well, haven't left yet. What was that? Officer's badge. Okay. What kind of... Over here, use key. Use. Alright. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. Okay. Okay. Way too much of the nooses and the bones and yeah. Crackly radio, no, that's not creepy at all. No, not. Up. Hello?
Hey.
Oh God. Oh man.
I read you.
Chicken?
What's your situation?
Dead.
What the hell's going on?
I don't know. But I've had no action yet. Ugh. Ready a weapon. Okay. Wait a minute. What? Okay.
What was that?
Oh God. Oh
Fucking way.
Oh God. I don't know what I did, but okay.
This just keeps getting worse.
Took his arm off. Oh God. Escape. Okay, don't panic. But they're here. Get outside, get outside, get outside, get outside. That's upstairs. Why are you going upstairs? All right. Hello?
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
Hunnigan!
President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Why'd you
Need a location on a nearby
give
lake.
the code name and the
She
real
may have
name?
been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Okay, whatever.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here.
Redhead
My
again.
escorts are.
Just want to say that. Here we go.
Gotta go. Talk later.
Oh, hi, buddy. Oh.
I'll let myself out.
Don't come back here no more, boy. Well, that would be the southern way. All right. Now they let me go, and now I'm all beat up. Head for the lake. The lake? Okay, okay. Oh. How we doing here? No one up there looking by? Nope. This is where I have to run. So far, it's the same but very, very different. And it's a good thing. Oh! Tell me that Resident Evil 8 didn't prepare you for this. Tell me! Alright. Here. Gunpowder. Okay. Need that for building. Let's quick. Oh, can't save on a demo. Okay, whatever. Ooh, they sound angry. Oh, dead doggy. Oh wait, in a bear trap. Oh no, that was not my doggy. What? Sure, I'll take more of that. Reloading's the same. Crouch. Oh god, he got a shot. Okay, I like how they've keeping the costumes from, you know, the other. I mean, everything has been. I remember all these boys. Ah! Ouch! Oh god. Melee. Yes. Hey, took your head off. Oh god. A bit of a... Ah! So my knife is breakable. Okay. All right. Knife is breakable. Give me some of that money. All right, open inventory. Restoring health. Herbs or a first aid kit. Okay, we got that. Yeah. I do like the fonts they're using on this. It may change in the final. All right, I'll use the attach it case. Looks different too. Okay. All right. What? Cool, I did. I'm fine. Oh. Wow! Right. God, they still have those. Okay, great. Watch it next time, dummy. Now you're beat up. Oh, that's the same. Oh, hold on. Ha ha ha! You're still the same. Come on out. Just keep on coming out. I like it. However, red herb, thanks. However, the music's still going. What's that? More of those? Yes, please. Flash grenade. I'll take that. Change weapon. Nope. Cool. I'll stick with that, thanks. Now I know how to get to the flash grenade, which I will probably need when I get to the village. Every time I got here, I always think of the song Village by Iron Maiden. Back in the Village by Iron Maiden. And here it is. All right. Wow. Okay. Yeah, pretty much. What's this? Oh. That's... Ooh! Oh, God. Okay. Oh, that's nightmare fuel for me. Oh. Hey, that's definitely new. Let's just do it. Yo, she-bitch!
Here we go.
See how long I last. Nope, don't have any of that. Ah, take that, Mr. Bond. I don't have it to eat. No, I don't have it. There we go. Whoop. No places to jump up. Whoa! No, no, no. And my knife's almost gone. Hello, chicken. Oh, red herb. Thanks. Hey, cow. Hey, honey. Ah! There we go. I'm gonna get in there. Yeah, close it, baby. Okay. Breather. Oh, crap. He's here.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Scene for scene. Then that should mean, you know what I mean. Give me that shotgun.
Oh, nice.
No.
Give me a break already.
Like that. Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
Whoa, watch out. Whoa. Oh, God. Here we go, buddy. Come on, big guy. Oh, God, run. Whoa, whoa. I like the music. This is really jarring. I really like that. Hi, can I borrow this for a second? Thanks. Hi. Back around. Whoa, excuse me, honey. Got 5 bullets left. Come on, Cheney boy. Ooh, that too.
You gotta be kidding me.
No. Sorry. I think I'm out of everything.
Present for you.
Oh! I know to come in here for the rest of the other stuff I can hide. Uh-oh. No! I think he's got me.
Damn it.
Oh. Yes, I got this. I heard escape. My life is complete. Craft. Oh, interesting. Okay, well, I don't like got that weight. Okay, use it, please. Thank you. Oh! The church bell!
Huh?
La campana. Al chiudere de fretta.
I did it.
Nos invoca.
I survived. All right. Lord Sadler. No bingo jokes.
Tenemos que servir. Al Lord Sadler
Aha.
Poderoso.
It's actually really cool. Not gonna lie. I'm actually kind of intrigued to this now. I really am. I'm excited. So this comes out 24th of March. And another classic on the RE engine. Yeah. Zoom out.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Yes. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you liked what you saw, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you next time.